Edha is a mental and emotional health platform. Edha offers private, confidential, one-on-one counseling sessions with counselors, therapists, and psychologists, as per your time preference. Edha offers coaching too, from experienced and certified coaches on the platform. Here's how it works. Step 1. From the comfort of your home, or wherever you may be, navigate to www.edha.life. Step 2. On the home page, find and click on Book an Appointment. Step 3. A new page opens. Here, you choose between counseling or coaching services depending on your needs. Step 4. Answer a few simple questions. What area of your life requires attention? Where are you located and in what city or state? Which language are you most comfortable communicating in? Your answers will guide the system in matching you with the best experts on the platform. Step 5. The system generates a list of experts tailored to your needs. Take your time. Review their profiles, and when ready, proceed to book a session with the one that resonates with you the most. Choose slots, 30 or 60 minutes, check timings and mark, enter your contact details, and make online payment through multiple options available on the portal. Step 6. Once you've made your booking, you'll receive a booking confirmation via mobile message and email. This confirmation includes your login credentials to join your booked session at the scheduled time. And remember, you're not alone in this process. The support team stands ready to assist you whenever needed. So why wait? Embarking on a journey of self-improvement is just a few clicks away. Visit www.edha.life and book your first appointment today. Your future self will thank you.